We would love to see what you can do with Lyres. The challenge is for you to put together an amazing Lyres cocktail. Of course, your cocktail needs to contain a minimum 45 ml of Lyres and be 0% ABV. We really wanted to allow your creativity to flourish and soar, so we aren't adding any other restrictions. Lyres is all about putting as much love and attention into 0 ABV cocktails as full strength drinks. If you could please just make us a damn tasty cocktail that we are going to want to order again and again. We want to be able to crush a few of these things. Think about seasonality and delicious thirst-quenching drinks. You can keep things as simple as you like, or if you love culinary science, you can go the other way and make us something mad. We're really leaving the ball in your court, but again, think to yourself, is this a tasty, delicious beverage that you would want to come back for more of? Make your drink, take a great photo or video, tell us how you made it, post it on the social media, and fill out our online form. Check out the link for more details on how to enter, our T's and C's, and importantly, the judging criteria. So what happens next, and what's in it for you, you ask? We'll remake all your cocktails and pick our 4 favorite delicious drinks. To give some love to the venues where these drinks were conceived, we will film a city bar guide for your venue. If you've not seen any of these videos, check out our YouTube channel. The makers of our 4 favorite drinks will be invited up to Auckland, where over 4 days, we'll put on some workshops and seminars with some very clever folks in the industry. Think flavor workshops and a masterclass with a top chef from the amazing dining scene. Time spent in a bar lab learning about some modern bar techniques, drinks marketing seminars, and maybe getting down and dirty and bumping up your heart rate. Because Lyres is all about moderation, we'll probably make you get bendy and have a seaweed wrap as well. In between these workshops and activities, we'll have some friendly competition and challenges. One of you will win the inaugural The Art of the Impossible, and we'll take home the Lyre trophy and the mystery prize. Right, that's enough of me waffling. In all seriousness, get involved, people. We'd love to have you all get involved in the art of the impossible. When we put this program together, we just wanted it to be something that we would have loved to have been involved with. Not just as a cocktail competition, but something that we think can help benefit those in the industry in New Zealand, an industry that myself and Lyres love so much. Andrew,